Hey guys, my name is Karen. I'm with CK Customs PA. I have a box here from what says 651vinyl.com, is now 143vinyl.com, and we're going to find out what is in this box. We placed an order for a 16 pack of 5-foot rolls of Oracal 651. It is a variety pack, so I don't know what colors are in here. Now, to be clear, they are no longer, this company is no longer going to be selling Oracal. So what I can do is I'll put a link in the video comments below to a current seller of Oracal 651. That way you will have access to purchase it if you like the colors that come out. I don't know what colors are in here because it was a variety pack that we ordered. So I will go ahead and get started. We did also order a couple other items, so they'll probably, come out of here. But again, this came from 143vinyl.com, formerly 651, and I will post a link to another seller for it because unfortunately this is in their outlet sales and no longer available for purchase. Once they're sold out, they are sold out of the Oracal. All right, I'm going to go ahead and open the box so we can see what colors are inside. Bear with me, I don't want to cut myself. Okay, so give you a little peek inside there. Looks like we got our order summary. So these are kind of the extras that we ordered. I'm going to put them aside. I'll bring them back at the end. Huh? More?
No, there's not a video.
Oh. And then we have this large roll. So this is 16 pieces, 5-foot rolls. It's their Oracal 651 variety pack. It is heavy, I can tell you that. Oh boy, is it heavy.
Over 4 pounds.
It weighs over 4 pounds. Alright, let's make sure I have them all here. I'm going to let it unroll. Woo, 5 foot. Let's go this way a little bit. Alright. So it looks like the first one is kind of a forest green. I don't know. It doesn't say the color name on the back of it or anything. So I'll probably have to match it up to the website of the available colors to know the exact color if I wanted to order more. So it looks like forest green. This is kind of a bit of a pumpkin-y orange. Kind of looks a little antique-y. A nice shade of blue. Kind of a teal aqua color there. There's a more vibrant kind of aqua teal color, so there's a difference there. A nice rich blue. And then we have a darker shade of blue, so it looks like it's going to go through the different variations of blue, continuing to get darker. And another, even darker than the last. So this one is kind of that red-orange in-between color. Some pink. Violet. Hot pink. There's a purple. And it looks like we have 2 more sheets of orange in here. So what I do is I do roll up my 5-foot sheets, so nice rolls, and then put them away from there. So the other items we got is we got a ball. Ball is helped used to smooth. Sorry, I know it's making noise. You can use it to smooth your vinyl onto textured surfaces. So if you have a surface that's not 100% smooth, maybe has like little dimples in it, you use the ball, roll it on to help get this vinyl into all those little grooves. And then I ordered a pack of Cricut blades. Now they're off-brand blades from Cricut, but these are intended to be comparable to the premium fine-point blades. So there are 3 of them in there. And we haven't used these yet, so we will test them out and let you know how they go and probably make a video about it. All right, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I thank you, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks, bye.